So let's arrive in your favorite meditation position to relax, to let go. And just take a nice big deep breath in through the nose. And then blow slowly out through your mouth as if you're blowing out through a straw. Relax your face, your jaw, your neck and shoulders. Allowing your body to settle. And take another nice big deep breath in through your nose. And as you breathe slowly out through your mouth, again consciously, intentionally relax the muscles further down your body, your chest, your stomach, your spine. And then with the next big deep breath, allow your eyes to close, relaxing your legs all the way down to your feet. Each out-breath is always an invitation to let go of any tension or tightness you are holding on to. And can you sense with each out-breath your body just letting go, even if it's just by 1%, it's still letting go. Feeling your body just become heavier, sinking deeper into your favorite meditation position. Just feeling tension, tightness, dissolving, and slowly draining away. And let's create a powerful intention for today's practice. And you can say this deeply inside your mind. I am resting deeply within myself. I am resting deeply within myself. I am resting deeply within myself. And just bring the light of your awareness to your scalp. And as you breathe out, feeling the tension just melt away around the head, slowly down to the forehead, around to the back of the head, slowly down the back of your neck, the micro muscles behind your left eye, relaxing, melting, smoothing out. Around your right eye, feeling your jaw soften, your tongue soften, your throat, all the way down to your shoulders. And just for a moment, picture anything that's weighing you down right now. Bring it to mind. Can you sense how much space there actually is around this image, around this thought? And just let that thought just slowly drift like a bubble into the sky. There's so much sky. I get a sense of your awareness, your energy becoming lighter as you let go. the light of your awareness moving into your left shoulder, your bicep, your forearm, the back of your hand, the palm of your hand, the tip of your thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, back of the hand, your elbow, your shoulder, your left chest, everything just letting go. That deep intention just to let go and relax for these few minutes. Your body needs this. Can you feel gratitude for taking the time to give your body what it needs right now? Now focusing with your light of awareness on your right shoulder, bicep, forearm, back of your hand, the tip of your thumb, first finger, second finger, tip of your third finger, little finger, palm of your hand, the back of your hand, elbow and shoulder, your right chest. Breathing into your heart area, expanding your heart area with your breath as you breathe in. Maybe feeling a change in your energy, lifting, brightening, breathing down to your stomach, your left leg, all the way down to your foot, your right leg, all the way down to your foot. Your whole body now just floating, relaxing, just letting go. I'd like you to imagine for me being in the most beautiful outdoor space. Sun is shining, the greenery, the plants, the flowers, all around you as you take a nice big deep breath in through your nose, absorbing the energy of nature. That beautiful, expansive blue sky. As you sigh out anything else you're holding on to. Just being aware of what is it about nature you truly enjoy. And just allow your body to float there, connected to nature, to connected to everything and everyone. What we hold on to is illusionary. You can just let it drift off into the sky. No longer needed. And give yourself a wonderful inner smile for doing this work with me today. I truly appreciate you. Begin to just rub your fingers gently with your thumb. Feel the sensations running through your hands. Begin to come back to your surroundings. People often ask me, how can I take what I feel in your meditations into my day? And you know what? You do have the ability to shift your awareness to the present moment. Become aware of the space you have that's always there, the peace, the stillness, the freedom. When you move away from your dream state into the present moment and recognize the truth of who you are and what you're capable of, the more you practice, the easier it becomes. Again, thank you for doing this meditation with me. It makes a huge difference to you and the world, more than you could know. If you enjoyed this episode, please share, please subscribe, please leave me a review. It will be great to hear from you. And if you do love deeper and longer non-sleep deep rest meditations, please do check out my Mindset Change Another Level channel. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.